Robotics is one of TechCamp's most popular courses and covers robot programming and construction. Our Invent robots are designed fully in-house and are not available anywhere else. You'll start off with understanding how the motion control works before learning how to control both inputs and outputs. Along the way, you'll compete in a wide variety of challenges, from designing minesweeper robots to those capable of playing football, dancing, and even battling in an arena. This coming season, you'll be working with TechCamp's brand new version of Invent. They're now even more advanced with wireless programming, precise stepper motors, and both line following and optical obstacle avoiding sensors. They're still super quick to construct and are even now Lego compatible and complete with programmable wireless remote controls. The new stepper motors allow precise movements and turns and even accurate geometric drawing. Younger and less experienced students can use the powerful drag-and-drop environment, and older and more experienced campers can program completely in Python. Of course, you'll take home everything, including the robot and remote control, line following and obstacle avoiding sensors, activity challenge mats for the racing and astronaut rescue challenges, and even a Lego extension kit to get you started. Book now to reserve your place on TechCamp's robotics course at one of our school holiday venues.